Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Point and my name is Nitin Gupta and today I am going to tell about the latest recruitment process for Cognizant company. So if you guys want to join Cognizant as a software engineer, then this video is for you. In this video I am going to tell about what is the latest hiring process for freshers in Cognizant. So this video is very important for you, so please watch this video completely to clear your all doubts. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, today's session outline are: firstly we will discuss about some basic company information, then we will discuss about job description for which freshers are hired in Cognizant. In this section I will tell you about salary and pay packages. Then we will discuss about the eligibility criteria to sit in placement drive. Then we will discuss about latest selection process. Then we will discuss about paper pattern and syllabus. So this is all about today's session outline. So guys, firstly I'm going to tell about some basic information about Cognizant. So guys, let's talk about some important facts and figures about Cognizant. So guys, Cognizant is a multinational company. The services offered by Cognizant are IT, business consulting and outsourcing services. The revenue of the company is around 16.8 billion US dollar as per 2020. The CEO of the company is Brian Hampers. The number of employees working in Cognizant are 2,90,700 and the headquarters of the company situated in Teaneck, New Jersey. So guys, let's talk about what are the products and services offered by Cognizant. So guys, Cognizant provides information technology, information security, consulting, ITO and BPO services. These includes business and technology consulting, system integration, application development and maintenance, IT infrastructure services, artificial intelligence services, digital engineering, analytics, business intelligence, data warehousing, customer relationship management, supply chain management, engineering and manufacturing solution, enterprise resource planning, research and development, outsourcing and testing solutions. So guys, let's talk about some HR interview questions which can be asked in HR interview round of Cognizant. So guys, the questions are: who is the founder of the company? When was Cognizant founded? Who is the current CEO of the Cognizant? What is the revenue and employee count? What are the products and services offered by Cognizant? Where is the headquarters of the Cognizant situated? So guys, the next slide is for job description. Entry level job designation in Cognizant is known as programmer analyst, and you guys are hired for a programmer analyst profile in Cognizant. And if we talk about salary and pay packages, then Cognizant offers CTC will be around 3.38 LPA. So guys, the next slide is for eligibility criteria. So guys, BTech in any disciplines like computer science and engineering, electronics and communication, information technology, electrical engineering, telecom engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering. So guys, these branches are eligible to apply. Engineers BTech, ME, from all disciplines as well as MCA, MSc in computer science, electronics, information technology are also eligible to apply. So guys, now we will talk about percentage criteria to sit in Cognizant recruitment process. Guys, you must have desired percentage criteria to be in selection process. The percentage criteria for 10th will be 60%, the percentage criteria for 12th will be 60%, the percentage criteria for BE and BTech must be 60%, the percentage criteria for MCA will be 60% with no current backlog. So guys, the next slide is for selection process. In the latest selection process of Cognizant, there will be an online test based on MCAT platform which have 4 sections. Number 1 is quantitative aptitude, number 2 is logical reasoning, number 3 is verbal English and number 4 is coding round. If you get succeeded in online test, then thereafter a technical interview and a HR interview will be conducted to judge your technical skills and soft skills. So guys, the next slide is for syllabus and paper pattern of each section. So guys, the first section is quantitative aptitude. The number of questions appeared in this section will be 16 and you have to solve these questions in a time frame of 18 minutes. And the topics are number system, percentage, profit and loss, mixture and allegation, time and work, time, speed and distance, permutation and combination, probability, logarithms, SI and CI, LCM and SCF, divisibility, decimal fraction and power. So guys, the second section is for logical reasoning. The number of questions appeared in this section will be 14 and you have to solve these questions in a time frame of 16 minutes, and the topics are covered in this section will be data arrangements, syllogisms, coding, decoding, number series, blood relations, directional sense, logical word sequence, objective reasoning, data interpretation, data sufficiency, analogy and selection decision tables. So guys, the third section is for verbal English. The number of questions appeared in this section will be 18 and you have to solve these questions in a time frame of 16 minutes, and the topics will be covered in this section will be reading comprehension, sentence correction, error identification, one word substitution, idioms and phrases, preposition and conjunctions, speech and voices, subject verb agreement, synonyms, contextual vocabulary, antonyms and sentence and articles. So guys, the fourth section is for coding round. The number of questions appeared in this section will be 2 and you have to solve these questions in a time frame of 60 minutes, and the programming language options are C, C++, Java and Python. So guys, this is all about today's video. If you guys like this video, then press the like button and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more such videos. I have already made videos on recruitment process for companies like TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, SCL and many more. You can watch these videos by clicking on I button, and links are also given for these videos in description box. You guys can connect with me on social media like Instagram and Facebook. The social media profile links are given in description box. You guys can ask your queries in comment section and as well as in Instagram. So guys, like this video and subscribe the channel. So guys, best of luck for your exam. So guys, this is all about today's video, and I have already made similar videos on TCS, Wipro, Cognizant and Capgemini. And guys, I have also made recruitment process and selection process videos on these companies like TCS, Wipro, Cognizant and many more. So guys, you can watch those videos by visiting my channel or the link given in description box. You guys can watch those videos by clicking on I button. So guys, if you like this video, then press the like button and subscribe my channel. So guys, if you have any doubt related to this video, so you can ask over comment section, or you can follow me on Instagram and other social media platforms. All social media profile links are given in description box. You can follow me on Instagram and ask your doubt in Instagram. I will help you and provide best solution regarding any placement preparation, regarding any placement guidance. So you can follow me in Instagram and ask your doubts over Instagram. So guys, if you like this video, then press the like button and hit the subscribe button. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.